what I remember is very, very brief. I remember that the steps to school was they were very, very tall, and a little bit of just the busyness, just the busy, the lorries and the things, but nothing. I look at like I was telling you, I look at the films and things now, and I think, I don't remember that. I don't even remember them coming to school to record. And it is quite striking, really, when I look at them, and I think, oh right, okay, I've been recorded that big, and I don't remember.
Wel, yn sicr, be oedd yn drawbwynt I Tryweryn oedd y teimlad faint bynnag o aelodau seneddol sydd gennych chi yn cynrychioli Cymru yn Llundain. Dyma chi rhywbeth oedd o wir bwys I Gymru ar y pryd, ond o gennyn nhw ddim grym, do gennyn nhw ddim modd I newid dim byd.
Mae'n amlwg bod yr hyn ddigwyddodd wedi creithio'n eitha dwfn ar feddyliau'r genhedlaeth un, achos erbyn diwedd dyddiau, y mam yn arbennig oedd atgofion am y cwm fel oedd o'n wreiddiol yn dod yn ôl yn gry iawn felly de.
Well, apparently my grandmother kept diaries every day for years and years and years, and in the diary for 1955 there's 3 what we call englyn written by somebody that used to live in the post office, and in that one of the englyns she said, I'd hate to see the place like the bottom of a lake, gweld y lle fel Gwaelod Llyn.